Hey, hi, hello, and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Jennifer. It's nice to meet you. On this channel, we do makeup and beauty subscription unboxings, mystery bag unboxings, clothing hauls, and vlogs. The vlogs are usually just shenanigans and fun and just kind of behind the scenes stuff, because I will be giving a tour of this studio room that I've just decorated. And yeah, so today, first of all, I just want to say I am wearing the Barbie ColourPop palette. What? Woo, woohoo, mesmerizing. What? Yep, that's me. I just really wanted a reason to wear this, and why not in this vlog, because the last few of them I've just done normal makeup and that's boring sometimes. So anyway, today we are going to unbag the Ipsy June mystery bag. I don't remember the name of this one. I just thought it was incredibly beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, awesome. Gives me like mermaid vibes. Look at how adorable this is. Like, I could not pass this up. So this is $14 member pricing. I don't even know if you could purchase this without being a member, but that's what it says. And every month Ipsy has well, usually it's just one bag, but this month they seem to like have 3 of them. And so I decided to go with this one. I thought it was gorgeous. And I don't think that they come with a little card with the price, or prices and the variation. So anyway, if you watched last month's, it was horrible. My bag was cut open, and I still just haven't had a chance to contact Ipsy. And part of me was like, the bag was still good, and we get so many bags. Like, should I? But part of me was like, I don't know, like, that's kind of not cool. Like, they should know about it. So I don't know. I don't even know if it's too late to do it or not. Let me know what you guys think. So anyway, oh, I just realized, look how pretty it says Ipsy right there. That's cute. I do know that they said that if you bought this bag, you would get a 6th item for free, so I really hope that is true. So on the inside, it is lined blue, and you have your little Ipsy thingy there. So yeah, let's see. Oh, you guys, this is gonna be hilarious. So I got this again. So it's kind of funny. I had ordered this on add-ons in May. And then I also got this in my May mystery bag. So this is like the 3rd one that I have. I do like it. I did use it. It was great. And I'll just show you. Ew. Okay, so I don't have the other one down here, but it's really nice. I do really like it. I don't want to open it because I have one opened, and obviously this is going to be on like back stock, I guess. This was only $3 on add-ons, so but it is still very nice to get in your bag, so happy with that. Ooh, let's see, we got a little I'm pretty sure this is a little eyeshadow quad, and I hope it's not one that I have already, because it looks familiar. This one is Almond Beauty. Oh, maybe I don't have Almond Beauty, and let's see, Illuminati and Amplify. Illuminate and Amplify eyeshadow duo. Yeah, I can't pronounce big words, I guess. Let's see what the colors look like, and if it has a mirror. So no mirror, and ooh, isn't that pretty though? So like, I feel like you could even use this as a highlighter. Now this I like, and this I will keep. We're going to swatch her. Oh wow, whoa, That was pigmented. I should have not done that look. Like, I was pretty gentle, I thought. Oh, what? Oh, you guys have to see this. What? Ooh. I love it. I'm in love. That's it. This made the whole bag for me, and we're already only 2 in, okay? 2 in. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, please. All right, these are very nice. I've got these before. This is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. These are pretty nice. I do like them. It's the directions. Wipe pad across your face, neck, and what? Décolleté? Once or twice daily after cleansing. Well, décolleté? Like, okay, you know what I saw in my head? Because, you know, I'm just crazy and weird. It said décolleté once or twice a day after cleansing. Do you know what that made me think of? Like when you pee in a cup at the doctor's office in the little pad. Okay, don't judge me. Judgment-free zone here, okay? You know I have shenanigans. But yes, very nice. Good to have. I like that. Ooh, Foxy Bay. By the way, do you guys know that I call my babe, I call him Babe because I make fun of Bay. Like, I think Bay is ridiculous. That's like the name of this brand. And I have not got to try anything from this brand. So it is a 12-in-1 Magic Daily Leave-In Hair Mask. Okay, I'm with it. I'm all about it. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys that I use the Anastasia lipstick from the June Ipsy Glam bag. Just on thy lips. And you got to pucker your lips like this. Mwah. That's from the Little Mermaid. Okay, the last product that's in this bag is, what? Ooh, Context Nude Balm. It's a nude balm? What? Ooh, okay, we're gonna have to open this up. It's gonna be a struggle because it's one of the things with the perforated lines that never work out as well. Is it gonna work? What? Oh, today's my day. Have you ever got one that worked like that? Holy S, you guys. That has I'm being for real. That has never happened for me. Okay, nude context. All right, I know I showed it to you. Ooh, oh, this bag is amazing. Look at how pretty this is. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. And let's see. Oops. Let's see. Oh yeah, you get a fairly good amount in there. Oh, I love it. I love it with all my heart. Oh, look at this. Ooh, I'm gonna do a look with this. It is like a balm, but it's a little tint, like a tinted balm, I would say. Ooh, yes. Oh my. Okay, and there was a 6th item, which is in the bag. Look how gorgeous. Double-ended. Double prizes. Blush. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. Okay, blush and highlighter. Farrah. Oh, and I love Farrah brushes. They're so soft and amazing and beautiful. Okay, so here is the tip on the bottom part. So this is probably the blush. Yeah, this would be the, yeah, sorry. I was thinking it said contour and highlight, but it said blush and highlight. So this would be the blush end, this would be the highlight end, and yes, I think, yes, yes, yes. All of it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's do a recap. You get the gorgeous, stunning, beautiful mermaid bag, or at least that's what I'm going to call it. I'm going to use this. This is my favorite, okay? And then we got the Farrah brush, okay? We've got the leave-in conditioner, or leave-in hair mask from Foxy Bay. And we got the Stuck on You, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't even tell you guys what it was, because since I have it, it's an eyeshadow primer, and my apologies for that. I just assumed since I got it 3 times that you would know what it was, and I should not do that. I should not do such arrogant things. The First Aid Beauty pads, the Almond Beauty Beautiful Quad, and the lip balm. So you guys, for $14, this was amazing. This, you know what, honestly, this totally makes up for last month's mishap. Handicap mishap? No, mishap. Yeah, that's right. That's the right one. Okay. Like, this was stunning and gorgeous and beautiful. I love it. I love it, love it. Did you guys get one? And if you did, what did you get? Like, I want to know. Like, I'm keeping an eye out on all the channels so I can see if anyone else got any of them. I'd love to see what was in the $30 mystery bag. I was this close. I mean, I still probably could buy it. I'm like this close. And it won't, like, if you push me over the edge, I'm gonna buy it. Like, that's how close I am to buying it. But let me know what you guys thought. I know I'm blah 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 blah. If you got one of these, if you got the $30 one, if you have a channel and you'd like me to view it, or even if you just have a channel in general, because I'm totally a person who likes to support, and like, I'm pretty down to earth and all of that. Like, I totally do the videos boink for fun. So yeah, anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in our next video. Okay, bye.